Hey everybody, this is Melina from ScrapBookingWithMe.com and Me Crafty Scrapper here on YouTube and Instagram and over on Facebook at Me Crafty Scrapper Creates. I wanted to show y'all some stuff that had come in the mail. Y'all have been so gracious to send things, and a couple of two personal things. I got this from a friend we used to attend church with. Beautiful card. Thank you, Miss Catherine. One from our church family. Thank y'all so much. We appreciate that. This one came from Chandra Wallace. Beautiful tree on the outside of that one. Thank you, Chandra. This one is from Michelle Schroeder, one of our viewers. A handmade card. So beautiful. Thank you so much, Michelle. And this card is from Alice Bice, one of our viewers. Gorgeous, gorgeous card. I appreciate that so much, Alice. This came in, I believe, a package that Mom had opened, and this is from Susan Berg in Montana. Beautiful stationery. I love that paper. And she has sent some items, some vintage items that I thought were so pretty. Look at that ad print there. And then these book pages, and it's recipes. So cute. I love that. I have mentioned before that I collect cookbooks, so that is something I will not use in a journal. It's going to go in one of my cookbooks. One of my older ones I'll put in there. Ain't that cute? Look at that. And it gives the translations of the food. So cute. And then this book, Songs of Faith and Hope. This one is an old one. Wow. Oh, wow. It's even got an inscription, a handwritten inscription inside of it. It says Ernest Gross, presented by H.D. Jordan, a token of regard to a helper in Sunday school. March 5th, 1908. 1908, y'all. In Michigan. That is crazy cool. Wow. I love that. Oh my gracious. That is awesome. I love, love, love it. Thank you so much. And now, you know, the curious person that I am, I'm going to have to try to do some research about that and try to find who that actually is, and like descendants and things like that. That's just the way my mind works. I have to do that. I'm going to put this in here too, stick it up like that so I'll remember. All right, and then this one I haven't opened yet. It comes from Barbara Jacola. I know Barbara's name, or yeah, that's right? Yes. There's a, the postage stamp stuff is over her name. I just wanted to make sure. I know her name from comments, the comment section on YouTube. She is so faithful to comment on all of my videos. I thank you so much, Barbara. And this comes from her, and it is a lovely, a beautiful card. Thank you so much, Barbara. I appreciate that. This package, Mom thought it was hers, so she opened it. And then she sent it by Brandon over to me. So the end of it is open here. It is from Gail Davis. And look at it, y'all. Look how pretty that is. So, Gail sends a card, a thinking of you card. And then she sent this journal. Look how pretty it is. The bright, cheery colors. I love that. It's got sewn elements on it. Beautiful pocket. Look at that. How pretty. Oh, I love all of the edging you did, Gail. That is so pretty. Pockets. Oh, that looks like the stencil from our shop. Cute. Yes, she has trim on the edge of everything. Oh my gracious. Bethany might be stealing this one from me. She loves stuff like that. That is so pretty. Beautiful stenciled butterfly. Wow. Oh, that's so pretty. Journal card. Oh, I like that too. The honeycomb stencil. Another pocket there. Oh, this has got some of the Graphic 45 little things in it that we carry. I see now. Look at ya. Using stuff that we've got in the shop currently. I love it. And I love your ribbon in the middle of your signature. That looks so familiar. So she's got her strands, her wax thread that she sewed the signature in with, left them long and put charms on the end. So one's a music note and one says love. And then she has this seam binding, or this lace, sewn into that middle also. So pretty. I love that. Makes it nice and chunky. And then there's a pocket there and another pocket there. Sewn pockets too. And there's a little tuck space there. Very pretty. Man, I love this. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Gail. So pretty. And all the lace pieces and the stenciling just set it off beautifully. Oh, that card is sewn around the edges too. Ooh, look at that, how she did that. Like a little cluster of seam binding, and then stapled it together and then glued it onto that. That is cute. Very pretty papers you used. A little belly band there. I love that trim. Beautiful stuff. Gorgeous little pockets. Little keepsakes. That is so pretty, Gail. Thank you, thank you, thank you for thinking of me and sending me a handmade item. That made my day very much. I appreciate it. Y'all have been, everybody has been so kind to us through this whole ordeal. That's what I'm going to call it today. This whole ordeal. Very, very kind and considerate and loving and patient and, you know, all of those great biblical qualities y'all have been, and we appreciate it so, so much. I don't want to cry in this video, but I am very, very grateful to all of you, and appreciate everything that you do for us and that you have been to us, and appreciate all the prayers. And you know, this is going to be a really short video because I just wanted to go through and thank everybody and continue to thank everybody. It's been a little over, 6 weeks now since my daddy passed, and Brandon and I were talking last night. It was something so unexpected, but then again, we think back in 2005, he was having such heart issues, and that's when he got his defibrillator and had to have his open heart surgery to repair his mitral valve. And they were talking to us back in 2005 about how he might have to go on the heart transplant list and all of that. And the Lord answered our prayers. He had his open heart surgery, and he had kidney failure, but went on dialysis, and after 33 days in the hospital came home. And it was a miracle that he even came home from the hospital then. And it was a miracle that his general practitioner had found the heart issue in the first place, just because Daddy had a cough. That's how it all started. And a couple of months later, he got his defibrillator, and his life was saved again, because we were out to eat and his heart had stopped. And I brought him around in that Mexican restaurant that night. So, before the ambulance got there. And he was so disoriented. I remember that like it was yesterday. He was so disoriented and wanting to know what was going on. And his heart rate had got down so low, we thought, he had stopped breathing. That's how faint his pulse was that night. But anyway, that's when he got his defibrillator, and it had been saving his life for years and years and years. And we got 17 more years with him. So it was sudden to us. I mean, 67 years old, that's just crazy young, in my opinion. And it was very sudden to us, but the Lord gave us 17 more years, because he could have been gone in 2005. And he allowed us to be with him a little bit longer and get to enjoy his company here on earth just a little bit longer before he took him. So we do thank the Lord for that. Anyway, I thank y'all so much, and most of all, thank you for the prayers, but also thank you for your patience. I know it's taken a while for us to get back around to normalcy, and it will continue to take a little bit, and y'all are just along for the ride, and I appreciate you staying. Y'all have a great day. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. God bless. Bye, y'all.